So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you iOS 14.3 update download and install options not showing on my iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user report to iOS 14.3 not available, also not showing download and install options in my iPhone. So guys, how to fix this issue? I give you some tips and tricks easy to solve your problems. The first solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone. So guys, first of all open the settings, then you can see also aeroplane mode. So please turn on after 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. The second solution is turn on and off your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see also scroll down and shutdown option. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off after 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone as well as iPad in iPhone and iPad. Third solution is check your Wi-Fi connection in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the step. First of all open the settings, then you can see also Wi-Fi. Please tap on Wi-Fi, then check your Wi-Fi connection is poor in, then again connect Wi-Fi, and easy to solve your problems. The fourth solution is turn off VPN in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general scroll down, tap on VPN. If you turn on VPN, so please turn off VPN in your iPhone and iPad. The fifth solution is reset network settings in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general scroll down and tap on reset. In reset you can see also reset network settings, then enter your passcode and tap on reset network settings, and easy to solve your problems. The sixth solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general scroll down and tap on reset. In reset you can see also reset all settings, then enter your passcode, then again tap on reset all settings, and easy to solve your problems. The last solution is most important. So first of all check iPhone storage in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then tap on general. In general you can see also iPhone storage. If you unused storage, so please delete apps, photos, videos in your iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to solve your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.